Hey, it's Rex on the road, and we're on a Truckee Tahoe foodie adventure. We're at Smokey's Kitchen today in Truckee, California, and we're going to show you the great food they have. Oh, are you in the mood for barbecue? I thought so. Yeah, we're at Smokey's Kitchen.
Place in town, Smokey's Kitchen, baby.
What do you get here? What do you get to eat?
I usually get the mushroom Swiss burger, and I probably get it twice a week.
Okay.
And Smokey's undoubtedly has the best burgers in town. My name's PJ.
Hey,
Have a great
PJ.
day.
All right, PJ. PJ, it just told you how good it is here, so we're going to check it out. Smokey's Kitchen in Truckee. It's Rex on the road.
You stand back and I'll slather a little sauce on there. Some of our secret sauce.
All right.
Get over there.
Nice. Hey, it's lunchtime at Smokey's Kitchen, and what's your name?
Joe.
Joe. Where are you guys from, here in Truckee?
Oh, yeah.
And you got a burger here at Smokey's Kitchen, right?
Oh, yeah.
What kind of burger is that?
Pork beef burger.
Oh, it looks terrific. And then we got a full rack of ribs over here, right?
Cowboy beans,
Nice.
Cornbread.
Cornbread, you got to have the cornbread, right?
That's the only way you can eat ribs.
And then a salad with maybe some meat in there, right?
Oh yeah, there's some pork in there. I came all the way from Sacramento for this.
Okay, all right. You guys have a great lunch. Thanks so much. Smokey's Kitchen in Truckee. You got to stop by. Hey, you can do both. You can do both. And hey, we're at Smokey's Kitchen in Truckee. And boy, you have some great barbecue. You have burgers. You have salad with pork. Just all kinds of good stuff. Right?
Yeah, we do a full breakfast, lunch, and dinner menu. We're open from 8 o'clock in the morning until 8 o'clock at night.
Wow.
Full breakfast, huevos rancheros, which we filmed a little earlier.
Yeah, we'll
We've
be
got
able to show
barbecue
those,
breakfast.
yeah.
You can come and have ribs and eggs if that's what
Right.
that you fancy.
Well-
Full lunch menu, burgers, salads,
Yeah.
barbecue.
and, and you're right off the freeway here in Truckee, so it's easy to find. And breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You don't get a lot of barbecue places that do breakfast, lunch, and dinner, right?
Well, we try to serve the community with as much as we can. So,
Right.
Yeah, we've always been a popular breakfast restaurant. We turned into barbecue later.
Right.
The barbecue, but the breakfast restaurant was the most successful thing, so we just kept the breakfast theme going.
Yeah, there you go. Ski season getting ready to start up here in a month or so.
We had our
right?
first snow this morning.
Yeah, I know. I seen it. A little snow dusting as I was coming up. And but what a terrific place. I mean, it's really comfortable. We just seen a group of guys that I think they got everything on your menu. I think they got everything. They had a burger, they had ribs, they had a salad. with some barbecue pork.
They drove up here from Sacramento. They stop in every time they come through Truckee.
See, that's the way you got to find those favorite places,
Yep.
right? And that's what we love about being here is we're able to see exactly what you guys do. And I mean, it's terrific. We got some great video of showing you what they do in the kitchen. And if you're a barbecue fan, you got to stop by. And in Truckee, Smokey's Kitchen. And this is the place. And of course, it's great. You got breakfast, you got lunch, you got dinner, and you can have barbecue for breakfast if you want.
We've got barbecued ribs, pulled pork, sliced brisket, smoked sausage. We've got it all. All fresh, all homemade. Everything here is homemade. All the recipes are mine.
Right, exactly. And so, I mean, he's working hard fixing all that barbecue. So you got to drop by and try it out. We're going to try it out here in just a little bit. All kinds of fun. Smokey's Kitchen in Truckee. Come and check it out. You will love the barbecue. We're on a Truckee Tahoe foodie adventure. We're at Smokey's Kitchen today in Truckee, California, and we're going to show you the great food they have. Oh, are you in the mood for barbecue? I thought so. Yeah, we're at Smokey's Kitchen.
Best place in town, Smokey's Kitchen, baby.
What do you get here? What do you get to eat?
I usually get the mushroom Swiss burger, and I probably get it twice a week.
Okay.
And Smokey's undoubtedly has the best burgers in town. My name's PJ.